So the next question is, I have a basic understanding of data. Being a quality analyst role, but no programming background, what is the path to become a path? Okay, sorry, this is the path. Become a data scientist or data architect. Where should I start? See,
Yeah.
For this also, I for data scientist and data architect, definitely you need to have a strong programming in Python. There is no other option. Okay, so but going before to the Python, I'm going back here. So data, you need to anyway perform in the one OS, right? So if you have this skill set, Linux and Azure, one cloud and one automation tool, one pipeline and Docker Kubernetes, plus the another skill should be strong programming.
Okay.
Okay, so but after this Python, okay, we are now looking for to be a data, right? So I learned all this ABCD, Linux ABCD, Azure or AWS ABCD, Ansible ABCD, and DevOps CI/CD ABCD, and Docker Kubernetes ABCD, and Python programming ABCD. But now I want to become a data, right? Then take each data, start play around data using Python. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
So take some structured data, play with it. Take some semi-structured data, play with it. Take some unstructured data, play with it. And one time you curate the data and put it in the catalog or create a catalog. So all those use cases you need to explore to answer the path, the become data scientist. This is where people are really missing. Vijay, I learned all the technologies, but why I'm not getting any much opportunities? You will not get any opportunity because you learned ABCD only.
Yeah, you need to form sentences. You need to speak. So for that,
Yeah,
you
need to form a sentence. For that, you need even you form a sentence. You need to speak it, right? So they need to play around the data. So still people are having a lot of confusion. Okay, where can I get the data? There is a lot of open data is available.
Open source data.
Or a simple Excel file, we can create one data. You agree?
Yeah.
True.
This is also this is also one of the major gap people are having. Vijay, I learned all, but still I'm facing a lot of humiliation to get into the right job. This is a basic scenario people are not understanding. We learning all concepts, but where we need to apply, when we need to apply. See, this is a simple data. Of course, this is a this is not a, so say employee name. So employee mobile number. This is one of the data. Say for example, again the question is, okay, with this data what I need to do? Okay, you put some business condition. Say as part of this project, all mobile number, wrong mobile number should be removed and only correct mobile numbers should be stored in my data store. This is your objective. This is one. So you create a Python program, you apply it. So wantedly you give some wrong mobile number in this. So create some 50 to 60 employee, some dummy data. So you save as a CSV file, you use apply in this. That's it. So using Python data creation module, there are a lot of modules. So play around the data. This is what you answering your question. So become a data scientist, right? You have to have a core idea how to play a data. If you get a data, what you need to do. And there is another use case. So you create some data, okay, you upload it to S3 bucket, okay, and the moment the data received S3 bucket, automatically your workflow should start. So you need to set up a Lambda, you need to set up in Lambda there is a specific Python script, and using CloudWatch you need to trigger it, and there should be a ETL process. Automatically the ETL process completed, it should store to the database. So everything you need to explore. Okay, now what are all components involved here? CSV file, creation of CSV file, cloud, cloud services, and Python,
Yeah.
and all workflow.
Yeah.
Correct. So now you tell me.
This could become an architecture.
Yeah. So you tell me, without this, how do you?
True. So for
Yeah, we
everything
need to
these
automate
days-
that to have the flow as well.
Exactly. So this is what I'm giving advice to most other people. Don't rush up. First, go with the concept, okay, and go concept with hands-on. Once you got the concept idea, then you should not waste your time on the concept. You should waste on the actual workable scenarios. This is where people are really getting missed.
Yeah,
Going with the
fail fast and learn from that.
Yeah,
This is
going
what-
with the interview questions, going with all dump, that doesn't make any sense going forward.
Yeah, the culture of shortcut has to be removed. So you just
Yes.
it's one straight way. You have to learn it and then
Yes,
get your hands dirty and then start moving on.
exactly.
Because see, yeah, that shortcut culture has to be broken.
Exactly.
I understand. Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
we will meet after some time.
Sure.
Thanks for.
Thank you very much for your valuable time and inputs, Vijay. We
Thanks.
truly appreciate that. Thanks a lot. Good day.